In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a report of a cost center in the profit and loss report in Zoho Books. We'll walk through the process step by step, so even if you're new to Zoho Books or to cost center reporting, you'll be able to follow along easily. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to view your profit and loss with cost center details. First, open Zoho Books in your browser and log into your account. Make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one, because reports are generated per organization. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Zoho Books dashboard. This is the main home screen where you can see an overview of your finances, recent transactions, and key metrics. From the dashboard, move your attention to the navigation panel, usually located on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see various modules like Dashboard, Sales, Purchases, Accountant, and so on. Look for the option labeled Reports. This is where Zoho Books groups all the standard reports you can generate, including profit and loss, balance sheet, and many others. Click on Reports to open the Report section. After you click, you'll be taken to a page that lists different categories of reports. These might be grouped under headings such as Business Overview, Sales, Purchases, Accountant, and more. Take a moment to let the page fully load, as there can be quite a few reports listed here. Within the Reports page, look for the Profit and Loss report. It's often found under the Business Overview or similar section, since it's one of the main financial statements. You may see it labeled as Profit and Loss or P&L. Once you've located it, click on Profit and Loss to open the report. When the Profit and Loss report opens, you'll see your income and expenses summarized for a selected date range. This is where cost center information can be filtered or displayed, depending on how your Zoho Books account is configured. If cost centers are enabled in your settings, you'll typically find filter options or columns related to them on this screen. From here, you can adjust the report's date range, apply filters related to specific cost centers, and then run or refresh the report to view the results. You can also export or print the report directly from this page if you need to share it with your team or management.